Press the reset button on the back panel for 5 seconds. The lock has been successfully reset. How to set the admin password? Touch the keypad for the numbers. Enter star and hash button to go to internal setting. Enter the default password 123456 hash. Press 1 for admin setting. Press 1 to add admin. Enter new admin password of 6-digit, then press hash button. Re-enter the password followed by hash for verification. The admin password has been changed successfully. How to set admin fingerprint? Put the finger on the sensor 5 times until the light turns green. Fingerprint registered successfully. How to set admin RFID card? Place the RFID card on the sensing area. RFID card registered successfully. How to set user password? Press 2 to view user settings. Press 1 to add a user. Set the new password with hash. Re-enter the password followed by hash for verification. How to set the user fingerprint? Place the finger on the sensor 5 times until the light turns green. Fingerprint registered successfully. How to set up the user RFID card? Place the RFID card on the reader. RFID card registered successfully. How to set the volume and dual combination mode? Press star and hash. Enter the admin password, fingerprint, RFID card. Press 3 to view system setting. Press 1 to view voice settings. Press 2 for unlock mode. The lock has been set to dual combination mode. It requires 2 access modes for unlocking. How to open the lock in dual combination mode? Use a combination of password, fingerprint, and RFID card to unlock. How to enable passage mode? Enter the admin password and press hash. Press 5 and hash to enable the passage mode. After successful activation of passage mode, the lock will open without any access mode. Enter the admin fingerprint, password, and RFID card to turn off the passage mode. How to enable privacy locking? Push the button upward on the back panel. User password will not be accepted in privacy mode. Enter the admin password to open the lock. How to delete admin password, fingerprint, RFID card? Enter star and hash. Enter the admin password, fingerprint, RFID card. Press 1 for the admin setting. Press 2 to delete admin. Enter the ID you want to delete, for example, enter 002 hash. The registered fingerprint on the 002 ID has been deleted successfully. How to delete user password, fingerprint, RFID card? Enter star and hash. Enter admin password, fingerprint, RFID card. Press 2 for the user setting. Press 2 to delete the user. Press 1 if you want to delete an individual user. Enter the ID you want to delete, for example, enter 012 hash. The registered RFID card with the 012 ID has been deleted successfully. How to access the lock in case of a drained battery? Utilize the power bank as an emergency backup for unlocking the lock.